Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial by Lissy, and today we're gonna make DIY Easter Wreath. So what we need first is we need some Easter templates that I found online. I'll put them right in the description box below. And we'll also need a piece of cardboard like this. Hot glue gun, textures, glue, and scissors. And we will need a craft kit. And if you don't have one, I'll link my video down below. Let's get to it. First, we'll need to cut out the Easter templates. Time to decorate them. I might put sparkles on this one. This one might have spots. This one might have an Easter bunny with a beautiful background. And let's get to it. Now I'm done. Now we're gonna move on to the next bit. And now we're going to get a plate and trace around it, and then we're gonna get a bowl and trace around it. Cut it out. And once you're done, we're going to put all the Easter eggs that you've created around this piece of cardboard. Place them around like you want, and then let's get gluing. I wish you all a happy Easter. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe.